But you know what? Out of those 5 judges, there was one man who said that, no, I don't agree with these 4. And that was Justice H.R. Khanna. The day the judgment was given in ADM Jabalpur case, within a few days, the next Chief Justice of India had to be decided. Till that time, normally the convention that had been followed, it had been broken once earlier, was that whoever would be the senior most judge of the Supreme Court in terms of number of years spent in Supreme Court would go on to become the Chief Justice of India under retirement of the sitting Chief Justice. Justice H.R. Khanna was in line to become the next Chief Justice of India by that seniority principle. But you can guess what happened. He was overlooked. And a junior judge, Justice M.H. Beg, was made the Chief Justice of India and not Justice H.R. Khanna. Justice M.H. Beg, by the way, was one of those judges in those 4 judges. One of those judges in those 4 judges. So you can imagine what had happened. Justice H.R. Khanna had inkling कि ऐसा कुछ होगा. उन्होंने ऐसा लिखा है अपनी ऑटोबायोग्राफी में, बायोग्राफी में उनके लिखा है that he told his sister a night before giving this judgment to the court that I have written the judgment which is going to cost me Chief Justice of India. ये होती है integrity. That you know that there is something huge at stake, the position of Chief Justice of India, but I am not going to compromise on it simply because the other judges are not willing to go by the side of the truth. All the other 4 judges in that actually were either or ended up becoming Chief Justice of India at some point of time, but not Justice H.R. Khanna.